Welcome to Network with Toledo Mzansi Africa. What is Entrepreneurs Network? Entrepreneurs Network is a mentorship program created for all entrepreneurs, kingdompreneurs, and aspiring business people to tackle issues and challenges of entrepreneurs they face in the journey of making their own empires. Some entrepreneurs got soaked in debt because they wanted to start their business with the borrowed capital. So, our aim is to create debt-free entrepreneurs and debt-free businesses, companies, and organizations. In today's session, I want us to tackle this issue: distribution of the product. Number 1, scale the revenue. Number 2, master investment portfolios. Number 3, regularly check investment and business growth. Number 4, feature top business leaders. Number 5, assess broken agreement. Number 6, be a visionary thinker, ethical and business leader who is innovative, driven by purpose. Stick to your business promotion. Know your promotion policy. Number 7, ensure that the public know about your business. Number 8, its services, its social programs, community involvement, and fair labor practices are done rightly. Number 8, keep successful implementation strategies to gain more customers. Number 9, distribute channel from consumers, producer to consumers, product to marketing. Know that distribution of the product needs you as an entrepreneur to take your business into another level. Number 10, master the art of medium advertising, which is printed media, newspapers and magazine, broadcast media, radio, television and seminar, direct mail, brochures, pamphlets, billboards, directories, posters and leaflets, web-based media, online magazine, website, search engines, banners, emails and SMSs, internet. Once you've done this, you will know that the product or distribution of your product is right and in the right place. Make sure that you think beyond distribution of your product. Meet us on the 11th of April here in Johannesburg, here in Soweto. We will take your business into another level. Entrepreneur Network, it is for you entrepreneurs and it is for your business